Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix a Frigidaire gallery dishwasher error code 20 i20 drain issue filter clean and the reset guide. The fix one, you can clean the drain filter. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Then open the door and pull out the bottom rack. Then after, twist and remove the filter to the bottom. Then rinse the filter under warm water and clean off the food drips and put the filter back and lock it in a place. The fix 2, you can check the drain pump. Turn off and unplug the unit. Remove the bottom panel. Locate the drain pump and then check for drips blocking the pump. And remove any blockage carefully. The fix 3, you can reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher. Unplug it or switch off the breaker for 5 minutes. Turn the power back on. Then after, in the fix 4, you can check the drain hose. Turn off power to the dishwasher. Pull the dishwasher slightly forward, check the drain hose at the back and make sure it's not bent, clogged or kinked. If clogged, remove the hose and flush it with the water. Goodbye.